In front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access tab menu and look for auto rotate icon. When you find it, just click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that auto rotation is on. If you wish to turn it off though, you can do that by clicking on the same icon. You can also go into settings as well, scroll down and tap on display. Now scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!